In the last 72 hours, however, we have received confirmation of an additional 8 cases who have tested positive for coronavirus. This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive to 15. Out of the latest 8 cases, 5 are Kenyans and 3 are foreign nationals. The government has today resolved as follows. Number 1, all international flights are suspended effective Wednesday, the 25th at midnight. The only exception to this rule are cargo flights whose crew must observe strict guidelines. Those coming into the country between now and Wednesday, may they be Kenyans or foreigners, will undergo mandatory quarantine at a government-designated facility at their own expense. Consequently, NAC has decided that all persons who violate the self-quarantine requirement will be forcibly quarantined for a full 14 days at their cost, and thereafter arrested and charged in accordance with the Public Health Act. Effective midnight tonight, all bars will remain closed until further notice. Restaurants are to remain open, but only for purposes of facilitating takeaway services. Further, in order to give effect to the social distance requirement in public transport sector, all public service vehicles must adhere to the directive issued on Friday, March the 20th, failure to which the respective SACCO licenses will be revoked.